Today, Zippy finds a bright yellow flower. It is small, soft, and very pretty. Zippy leans closer to smell it. It smells sweet. So sweet, Zippy takes another sniff. But wait, his nose starts to tickle. Just a little tickle at first. Then the tickle grows bigger. Uh-oh, something is happening. Zippy tries to hold it in. He wiggles his nose. He squeezes his eyes shut. Achoo!
Achoo!
The flower wiggles from the big sneeze. Zippy looks surprised. Then he giggles. That was one very tickly flower.
Like and subscribe.